Hi guys, hope you're well. So I've got the most easy and delicious dish that I know you're gonna love. And me and Tesco, we're continuing to give you delicious, nutritious and affordable recipes. This one is a cracker. This is Harissa roast chicken with sweet potatoes, crispy chickpeas, tortillas and a chili and yogurt dip. It's so good. It's a kind of feasting dish and it's really affordable, guys, and such fun to make and eat. So let's do it. The story begins with a little vinegar, but it's going to be propped up by a secret little ingredient, harissa paste. Look out for it in store. This is North African chili paste. It is not super hot. It's quite mild. It's got layer upon layer of flavor. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons, and this is going to literally reinvent your roast chicken. This is the base for 3 ingredients. So we're keeping this recipe simple. First up, chickpeas. Just drain that. We'll go straight in to this tray with the chickpeas. Sweet potatoes, we're gonna treat them like a jacket potato, right? So just throw them in whole. Easy, easy, easy. So we're using a free-range chicken. You buy what you can afford, okay? But this chicken is gonna go in this tray and we're gonna rub it up and everything is gonna be tossed in that beautiful harissa dressing. And look, let's just talk about healthy little swaps, okay? Look, potatoes, delicious, love them, but they are not one of your 5 fruit and veg a day, right? They're a starchy carb. Sweet potatoes, however, nutritionally much more robust. This is classed as a vegetable. It's really, really good for you and delicious. Get the chicken, put it breast side down, some seasoning. Let's wash my hands properly. So in the oven, it goes for 1 hour and 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. So the chicken is in the oven. Just go and chill out, literally for 1 hour. And turn the chicken halfway through. The chickpeas will get crispy, the sweet potatoes will get soft. And as we sort of baste it and turn the chicken around, flavor galore. What I need to do now is a really beautiful but simple slaw. So I'm going to use carrots, red cabbage, apples. I'm going to dress this slaw with a little olive oil, and then I'm going to use some vinegar. This is red wine vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar. Get the apple and grate the whole thing, core and all. So the carrots, we're not even going to peel it. If you wanted to use up other vegetables in your fridge so you're not wasting things, go for it. With our red cabbage, I just need 1/4. For me, what I love about this is you take everyday, humble, really affordable things and make things that are kind of frumpy, exciting. Look at that. Come on. Look at the colors. So give it a nice mix up, have a taste. Oh my Lord, the sweetness, the acidity, the tang, the crunch, I love it. If you wanted it to be a creamy slaw, just add a little bit of yogurt. Really, really good, and so much healthier than mayonnaise, a brilliant, healthy swap. Now I have an optional extra. I'm using a bit of mint because I just love it. It's nice in the slaw. It'll be nice over the dish at the end. Beautiful. Right, let's get this chicken out of the oven. Oh, it smells incredible. Come on! Look at that. Absolutely delicious. It's juicy. So you can tell if the chicken's cooked, if the juices run clear. This is cooked. We're gonna let it rest now. Take this sweet potato and just bust it open like that. Look at the color. Very hot. You might want to use a pair of tongs. Come on, look at that. Hot and steamy. Just pour those juices and the chickpeas over the chicken. These are so tasty. Those little bits of extra mint, if you've got them, absolutely beautiful. Now, we need the tortilla. I'm using a brilliant healthy swap. So this is the whole wheat tortillas. You're gonna get more fiber than a regular white tortilla. Warm these up, 30 seconds. Last but not least, if you take a little yogurt, it has this incredible cooling, refreshing effect. Take a tiny bit of that harissa, marble it. Beautiful. Tortillas, load it up with a nice amount of that slaw. Shred the chicken. So look at this, guys. It's gonna be delicious. Really nice. Sweet potatoes. Get those amazing chickpeas as well. Look at that. Flavors galore. So look, this recipe will feed 6 people, but even if it's 2 or 4 of you, you've got leftovers galore. You'll use all of this. Nothing will go to waste. And it's a little party in your mouth, I'm telling you. Absolutely delicious. So come on, let's have a little taste. It's messy, don't care. That's what I love. It's so tasty. You've got the light chili. You've got that juicy, juicy chicken and those beautiful, crispy little chickpeas with that fresh kick of the slaw. So next time you get down to Tesco, are you gonna do the same thing as last week? Or are you gonna try something different? I think you're gonna love it. Delicious, nutritious, and affordable. Have a go, you're gonna love it.